Hi, I'm Marina. Our team is presenting Big Red Wall Race, as you can see here. So before we go into this exciting topic, I have a question for you. Have you ever run 5K, no matter it's just color run or charity run? Okay, I see you smile. So our team have a totally different run here, and you will have so much fun on it as Big Red Wall Race. Let's take a closer look at this. So next slide, please. Yeah. So our event, Big Red Wall Race, is a 5K obstacle course race. Will be held on September 14th, which is a Saturday, at Case Park, Ithaca. So we will ask for $60 registration fee for all participants, and you will have almost 400 friends running with you, and food and drinks waiting at you at the finishing line. So our stakeholders include event organizers, which is us, and volunteers, participants, which will be divided to 7 age groups, sponsors, vendors for actual food and drinks, city sport, and also spectators. So let's take a look at our course map, which is Case Park. So Case Park is a very famous place in Ithaca. It's a green space featuring an ice rink, a swimming pool, 20 athletic fields, and playground. So it will be a very comfortable place for sports. As you can see here, you have obstacles such as clock tower swing, Mount Ithaca monkey bars, and maybe 8 a.m. lecture tower jack, if you want. So next slide, please. Yeah, so on a Saturday in September, you will wear this cool t-shirt. So on the front, as you can see, it's a Big Red Wall Race symbol, and on the back, which will be include your location, time, and also our sponsors, special thanks to them. And you will wear this t-shirt and hat on a Saturday in September, and being a warrior in our 5K run.
Hi, my name is Ashley Hinkins, and this Big Red Warrior race is being organized by some bright-minded Cornell engineering students. We're excited to announce that all of the proceeds to this event will be donated to Engineers Without Borders, which is this phenomenal nonprofit organization that works with communities to ensure that basic human needs are being met through engineering projects. For an example of a current ongoing project with Engineers Without Borders, a team of engineering students are in Rwanda planning and building a new water distribution system. So it used to take these community members in Rwanda up to 45 minutes of walking just to get access to clean water. And this new system will drastically reduce the amount of time it takes. So Engineers Without Borders is really great because they work with the community members to ensure that the solutions that they're implementing are sustainable. Before we get into the details, I'd like to go over a macro view of the project. We will be working to connect and spread the word through promoting this event through an extensive social media campaign, as well as airing radio ads. We will be developing community partnerships. Local restaurants will be involved as food vendors, local businesses will be involved as sponsors, and local community members and students will be involved as volunteers. Our team of engineers are a really detail-focused group of people who are also very solution-focused. I think that we have a very unique set of skills that have led this event to be so well organized. And in addition to that, we'll be engaging not only the students on this team, but as well as other engineering students. We'll be providing an event that supports being active, being healthy, and it'll be really rewarding for all of the people who are involved. And finally, this allows us to support Engineers Without Borders, and we're really proud to be supporting those engineers with such life-changing events.
My name is Shri, and I'm going to explain the budget. So in project management, budget is one of the important aspects, and for us, the amount of money which would be gained out of this project would be donated for a good cause. The participation fee per participant is $60, and assuming if we get 400 participants, that would be around $24,000. And assuming the contribution from the sponsors, which is $4,000, so we have a total budget of $28,000 for 400 participants. And similarly, doing the same calculations, we have a budget of $16,000 for 200 participants. Next slide. Okay. So our main costs are divided into 4 different things. One is securing permits and insurance, procuring materials, online registration, administration, and course setup. In the entire in the entire budget allocations, procuring materials has the highest cost because we are setting up 5 different obstacles which are quite expensive, and including all the shipping charges, it takes around $6,000 for 200 participants, and for 400 participants it's $7,000. So by calculating, we have total cost of $10,740 for 200 participants, and for 400 participants we have total cost of $11,740. And so at the end we get a profit of $5,260 for 200 participants and $12,260 for 400 participants. And all this funds which are raised would be donated for a cause that is to the Engineers Without Borders.
Thank you, Alan. Hi, everybody. My name is Gina, and I'm the project manager for Team 2. First, I'd like to start by thanking all my teammates for introducing the project and hopefully getting you excited about our event. Now I'd like to encourage you to be a warrior and sign up for the Big Red Warrior Race. Our mission is really simple. We want to raise money for Engineers Without Borders. We want to execute a flawless obstacle course race, and very importantly, we want to have fun. We're going to do this by building awareness of our event and cause through media campaigns. We're going to establish community partners through our sponsorships, and we're going to engage students. After all, this is a Cornell engineering event, raising money for a Cornell engineering charity. We're going to inspire all our warriors and spectators by creating a challenging and fun course. And at the end of the Big Red Warrior Race, we'll have a substantial monetary donation to give to Engineers Without Borders. You might be asking, why should I trust this team to carry out such an ambitious project? First of all, we're qualified. We have 4 industry professionals with earned value management and resource planning experience. We have 2 experienced road race finishers who've helped us design a course that's guaranteed to be fun. And overall, we have 9 enthusiastic team members who are ready to execute an amazing race. Next, we're organized. We have a realistic Gantt schedule with plenty of float. We have a realistic budget for provision for a range of participants. We have a plan for obtaining sponsorship. We have a plan for attracting volunteers, and we have a marketing strategy. Our cause is worthy. Ashley went into great detail on Engineers Without Borders by giving the example of that water solution in Rwanda. We're very happy to be supporting this cause with our donations. And very importantly, our event is fun. Where else are you going to find a barbed wire bear crawl, a clock tower swing, Mount Ithaca, tire tumble, monkey bars, and an 8 a.m. lecture tire drag? We hope you caught that joke. So now, are you ready to be a warrior? Sign up today. Visit our website for more information.